Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick install video of Willie derby cover. So without wasting too much time, let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box. Willie derby cover black. Let's take a look what's inside. Instructions and a new black bolt set with some washers, and then the cover itself. All right, let's go ahead and install it. So the first thing that I did is I put a few tiles under the stand to level the bike out a little bit so the excess oil doesn't drip out when I take off the cover. So next thing that I'm gonna have to do is I have to remove the peg. Otherwise I cannot get to this bolt. And in order to remove that, there's two bolts here that I have to get it out of the way. All right, to get the two bolts out, I need to use a T50 torque screw. All right, so I don't need to take it off completely now that it's out of the way. I'm just gonna get to these bolts. Now before I start removing, I just put a couple towels down underneath this. I'm sure there's gonna be some drops of oil coming out, so just in case, so it doesn't get too dirty. As for the pattern, it's really not that important for taking off, but when we are going to be putting the new cover on, you have to use a star pattern. And one other thing I forgot to mention, there's a spring right behind this. So kind of keep it a little tight as you take the bolts off before you take this thing off. So, all right. Yeah, so pretty much no oil. What we're going to do, take a little bit of oil, inspect the gasket, make sure it's still in place. Take a little bit of oil and kind of put a little bit over it. All right. Wipe any excess that may have dripped. And let's get a new cover. Alright, so as we're going to put this on, first we're going to hand tighten. So according to the manual, to tighten these bolts, you have to use 84 to 108 inch-pounds torque. I don't have inch-pounds, I have foot-pounds, which turns out to be about 8 foot-pounds. All right, so that's what I have this thing set to. All right, so to tighten these, you have to go in specific pattern. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. That was a quick and easy install of Willie G derby cover. Hope this video was helpful for some of you. If you liked the video, please like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.